In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NordVPN connection issues quickly and safely. If NordVPN suddenly stops working or won't connect, the fastest fix is often the simplest. Start by closing the app completely and reopening it. Make sure it's not just minimized. Fully quit the app, wait a few seconds, and then launch it again. This refresh clears out any stuck processes, resets the connection handshake, and often restores a stable tunnel without you changing anything else. Next, confirm that your internet connection itself is working. Disconnect from the VPN and try loading a couple of websites or streaming a short clip. If those don't load, the issue isn't the VPN, it's the connection. Check that Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled, verify you're on the right network, and, if possible, switch briefly between Wi-Fi and cellular to isolate the problem. Once you've confirmed the internet is active without the VPN, reconnect to NordVPN and test again. If you're still having trouble, try connecting to a different server. In the app, pick another country or a nearby city to reduce latency, or choose a recommended or nearest server for better performance. Servers can experience momentary congestion, maintenance, or IP blocks on certain services. Simply hopping to another location can bypass those hiccups and restore access. Another effective approach is switching the VPN protocol. In the app, go to Settings, Open Advanced, and change the protocol to NordLynx or OpenVPN. NordLynx is typically faster and lighter, making it great for everyday browsing and streaming, while OpenVPN can be more compatible in certain networks. Disconnect before switching, choose your protocol, then reconnect and test. If one protocol sputters on your network, especially on restrictive Wi-Fi, swapping often resolves it immediately. If none of these options worked, do a clean reinstall of NordVPN. Uninstall the app from your device, then download the latest version directly from the official website or your device's app store and install it fresh. This clears corrupted settings, outdated components, and driver issues that a simple restart can't fix. Keep in mind that your preferences may reset, so take note of any custom settings you want to reapply afterward. Once reinstalled, open the app, sign into your account, connect to a server, and verify everything is running smoothly. Follow these steps in order, testing after each one, and you'll resolve the vast majority of NordVPN connection issues quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back online securely.